Yo, what is good guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I am going to expose my complete meme coin deving strategy that I have been using to make hundreds of thousands of dollars in the past year. And I am showing you everything for free right now because I do not sell courses and I am not gatekeeping anything. While everyone in this space is losing money trading meme coins and getting rugged, I have been on the complete opposite side, launching meme coins and making thousands of dollars without risking anything from my own pockets. That's exactly why creating coins is so profitable and so lucrative. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step method with a live proof example. And guys, I am not here to take your money or to sell you a course. I'm just here to show you the method that made me a lot of money in the past couple of months. I want to pass it on to you guys, like that we can all eat and make bread all together. Anyways, let's get straight into the guide. Now look guys, if you are unprofitable right now from trading meme coins or you are considering to start trading, you should stop it completely. The truth about this entire market is that if you are a trader, you are eventually going to lose in some shape or form, because most coins on chain that are being launched, they go nowhere, they pump and then they dump. That's exactly how meme coins move. Some of them explode, but on the long run, right, they will eventually dry out. I can show you hundreds of different examples. You can go on your favorite coin, you can go check, it most likely dumped. And yeah bro, for this exact reason, I completely stopped touching trading. I stopped because I kept buying the top and then losing on the bottom. And the truth is that these scenarios, okay, it is not the traders who are winning, but it's the devs. The creators of these coins are making so much money from creating these coins because they are making money from every single transaction coming in their coin, and then they can just sell their supply and make money from the dump. And yeah bro, that's exactly why I personally create coins, and in this video I will show you how it's done from A to Z. Okay, I will even do a live example to show you how it's done from my perspective, like that you can do it for yourself after this video, or you can just gain more knowledge on exactly how these people are creating coins. Let's go. And by the way bro, everything in this video is purely made for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, okay? I don't condone anything. Obviously I am capping. Now there are a lot of devs on chain that are launching coins on Pump.Fun. I do understand why though, it's the most popular platform, but something that they do not know is that it's oversaturated. There are so many coins launching every single second on Pump.Fun. It's ridiculous. Look at this, every single second there's one new coin coming out. There's like thousands a minute coming out, and most of these coins, they go nowhere, so the odds that your coin goes viral is extremely slim. And that's exactly why I stay away from Pump.Fun. I do not waste my time here. Instead, I launch my coins on Radium because I make more money launching there than Pump.Fun. It's obvious bro, there's a bunch of attention, a bunch of volume. Okay, when your coin goes in the migrate section or on Radium, right, it's the same thing. It gets more credibility and a bunch of buyers, and for that exact reason I launch here. Now to launch on Radium, do not use Pump.Fun. Like I said, use memecreate.io. This launchpad is the best for Radium. Every single coin that you make here will go to Radium, and that's why people use it and it is get kept. Or if you connect your Phantom wallet bro, you can actually turn viral tweets that are coming out every single second from important accounts into meme coins. Okay, name, symbol, image already done, and bam, it's created. Okay, some people use it. I know people who have made a lot of money from this feature, but my personal favorite one is actually copying coins in this tab right here. The reason why I use it every single day and I've made all my money from copying coins is because every single coin here has a viral narrative. They're all going viral on Pump.Fun and they're all getting a bunch of traction. So we will be using these coins to make money by relaunching them and copying them to Radium to get a bunch of attention, even more than them right here. That's why I copy coins. But now guys, it's time to make money from actually, you know, deving a coin. Let's get straight into it bro. Take your notepad or just take your popcorn and watch along. Now first of all, connect your Phantom wallet, right, obviously, and now let's look for a coin to create and copy. I usually just go for anything, so I'm gonna just go for waffles, right? I'm gonna copy the actually no, I'm gonna go for like a lower market cap coin just to show you that anything works, right? So Oracle, oh no, I'm gonna go for Ebola virus. No, I'm gonna go for the Metropolis coin. Click on copy to Iridium. Your phantom will show up. Just ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin will be created. Just be patient for a couple seconds. And bang, bro, if I go in soul scan, you guys have proof right here. Everything is legit. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we create our liquidity pool. Like that, we can allocate everything, the supply, your own supply for, you know, for the dev, like yourself, and everything, it will go to Iridium. Okay, so don't worry about it. For the amount of coins, click on 90%. I do that for all my meme coins on, you know, I mean, yeah, usually I click on 90%. That is a sweet spot. For the amount of soul to pair, put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 soul. Anything in between that is perfect, so 0.3 is what I will do. You are not going to lose this. If you want it back at any moment, you can. It is not a loss or a fee. Click on create pool. Your phantom wallet is going to show up. Just wait, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on refresh, and then you should be able to scroll down, and bang, the coin is live. The Metro coin is live. This is just a ticker, but your PNL counter is going to be right there. Now to check how much you're up, bro, click on refresh, and bang, from the moment we launched to right now, we are up $200. That is insane in my opinion. This means people are liking the narrative that we copied, and yeah, bro, that's exactly why we copy coins. Now go on Axum, go on Photon, go on any trading platform that you want. You don't have to use these ones. You can use your own if you want. Just go find your coin on Iridium, and yeah, go on the chart, and bang, the coin is live. 1.3k market cap to spawn in. Oh my god, it's pumping. This is exactly what I mean about the Iridium DEX. It's insane, guys. Copying coins is insane. What? It's still pumping. What the freak, bro? So many people are buying in. This is exactly why I love deving coins, okay? I just create them. We're already up like over $1,000 if I had to guess. Like, guys, we're up so much. We're up so fat. And I risk nothing. Like, bro, look. Like, just let your coin pump, and yeah, bro. Now, obviously, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna let the coin pump for a couple minutes, and then I will show you how to cash. Guys, I am back, and we are up a lot. I think, right? But yeah, let's cash out. Come back to meme create.io, and obviously, bro, if you want, you can check how much you're up by clicking on a refresh. And as you guys can see, we're up 2.4 thousand. That is not too shabby from like 20 minutes of doing nothing. But yeah, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your phantom is going to show up real quick. Just wait, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, I just showed you exactly how to dev a meme coin from start to finish. And before you click off and you say cap, look, bang, it's in my phantom wallet, okay? And yeah, I do this over and over again, and I make hundreds of thousands. Obviously, for you, it depends on how much time you have to launch coins every single day. It is summer soon, so you will have the chance to launch a bunch of coins and to grow that port up. Anyways, memecreate.io will be linked down below or in the description, bro. Like and subscribe, and it's all for educational purposes only. Cap. Now, if you want to win 5 Solana like this when you're right here, just like and subscribe and join my Telegram group down below, and make sure you comment. Let's go!